Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. This Java tutorial has the goal to talk about the fact that primitive types are stored by value. Either we are talking about integer types, floating point types, character, boolean type, all are primitive types. They are stored by value in computer memory. Let's make a practical example. In this way, I consider you will understand better what this is about. So I'm going to declare an integer variable named a, which I'm going to initialize with 100. Yeah, semicolon. Now here I'm going to write this statement using this class system out and this method print line to display in console the value of this variable a, semicolon. On this line I'm going to assign another value to this a integer variable, be it 50. Yeah, and again I'm going to use this system class out and print line in order to print out the new value of this variable a. Yeah, semicolon. So let's run this application and let's see what is going to happen. So as you can see, we have the same variable, and both value held by this variable a was displayed, either the 100 and the 50, as you can see. That means they both exist in computer memory. What happened actually? So when I change the value of this variable a on this line 7, actually this value 50 replaced the original value 100, and this value still exists in memory because the computer made a copy of this value, and in this way they both exist in computer memory. This one to the original location, and this one exists as a copy to another memory location in computer. So this is the way how the primitive types are stored by value in memory. As you can see, this value 100 was untouched. Yeah, it still exists in a computer. So that means actually to be stored by value. I can do another demonstration, like if I declare another integer variable, be it b, which I'm going to assign it with this variable a. Yeah, okay, and now I'm going to use again this statement to display in console the value of b variable. All right, okay, now let's run again this application and let's see what we are going to have here in console. As you can see, again I have this value displayed here in console 100, and this statement was written here on this line 10. Yeah, as you can see, this value 100 was untouched. It still exists in memory. Yeah, as a copy. Yeah, because this variable b was assigned with a value of this variable a. Even I use this variable to be displayed using this declaration on 10 line. This value was untouched. I can call this value and display it in console. Yeah, because this value still exists as a copy in memory computer. When I change the value of a variable, this value 50 replaced the original, the 100, and this was copied by computer to another memory location, and they both exist in memory computer. So this is the way how the primitive type store their values by value. All right, you can change as many times you want the value of a variable. If I want here again to change the value of a variable, like 30. Yeah. Okay, let's copy this statement. And now again, let's display the value changed of this variable a. Let's run again this application. And now here we have this value 30 displayed in console, yeah, because on this line I changed the value of this variable a, but as you can see 50 still exists there. Actually this value, when I reassign this value, this variable with this value 30, this value 30 replace the original which now is this value 50. Yeah, and 50 together with 100 exist in a computer memory as a copy. And you can continue this process, and this will work further in the same way. And if I copy again this statement and I paste it on this line, and here I'm going to write the b variable. Yeah, let's run again this application. As you can see, again, I can call this value, which this variable is assigned. Yeah, it is about this value. So the computer doesn't touch. These values are not touched, are not removed. 150, which was replaced, was changed. They are still exist in a memory computer as a copy. So this is the way how the primitive types, either we are talking about integer type, floating point type, boolean, or character, they are stored by value. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.